The abs function will return the absolute value of a number, turning any negative numbers into positive ones. The absolute function, or just the abs function, takes any negative number, say negative 100, and turns it positive for you. ABS 100 is going to bring us back 100. So it's going to bring you back the absolute value of a number regardless of that number's sign. Whether it was negative or positive, you'll get a positive number. And this can be useful if you've got, if you only care about the magnitude of the number. So for example, if we had 3 results, 8, 10, and 12, that had an average of 10, and we just wanted to see which result was the biggest one from the average. You can see here that this was 8, so 2 below the average, 8 minus 10. This one was 0 from the average, and this was 2 above the average. If we wanted to rank these and see which was the highest difference, the biggest difference, we'd be more interested in the absolute value. So you could just use absolute -2, which is 2. Absolute 0 is 0, and absolute 2 is 2. And then we can use these absolute values to find which really was the biggest deviation. This can be useful when you're not interested in the negative numbers, but you're interested in the magnitude of all the numbers.